morning. Look like some man in a sleep. Stay up and wait for me. Boy, life sweet, you know. Life really sweet. Look at my big bed. Look at my big bed. And me alone sleep on it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Me alone sleep last night and nothing wrong with that. Hey. My sister Magla, she said, Amari, Lord gosh, at time we got to do some things, you know, and step up the thing. Magla in Canada, big up, sis. I love you. I love you. I love you. I really love my sister, you know. She just cool. You understand? But more time she said me going like she crazy. But I tell her like my sister said me crazy. And I did there beside her ex-man the other day. And him say to her, say, then you ain't crazy same way. I'm say, but laugh, but say you crazy like me. You know? Because more times sis call and advise me, you know. But she must admit, say, we both crazy. Lord, me used to my truck that this way, you know. But me forget to my park way up the road. It's going to be a good day. I have to be independent, you know, because one way or the other, I have to prepare for do without Baps. Because all the time we get along. Last night, in sleeping at the sofa. And why we not get along? Because of the dirty scumbag Rika. Me say the girl dirty out of this world. Yeah, tell the people them the truth. Yes, tell them the truth.
Your body miserable, man.
My body miserable?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, jump on it, though. Yeah, jump on my blood clot body. Yeah, man. Who care where I want to say? You know much man out there? Me I have man with green eye. Rust clot. I treat my blood clot know about it. Yeah? Come I tell you, say, life sweet, like me don't know what to say. Let me tell you, you see yesterday, when I hold up clothes and I brag about when me Babs give me clothes and my money buy that blood clot. You understand? My money buy that. But you know, you just have to have a good time. But the money now, that are my commission. But me not use the money yet. Because today me I go shopping. And if him disrespect me, I go out with my man. Partner, our last fight I go down here this morning.
Me and your fight. Let me tell you something, man. A time for you get your body straight up, man. Nobody straight up.
Well, guess what? A time you get your dick for stand up.
Let me tell you. Fuck a pussy kill.
A time you get your fucking dick for stand up. And on me kill it. And the whore them where you sleep with kill it. You look like dog shit you. Me cuss him off in front of my uncle last night. A dirty boy that, you know, a germs that, but me I go get my commission as manager. I hate him. I can't stand him. Me no want to be with him, but him not get the message, you know. I him in my house, you know, the dog shit. I him in my house. You understand? And come and talk about my body. Dirty boy, me want you come out of the house for me talk, you know. Because people don't want to hear when me have to say about Baps. You understand? Because Baps can't fuck. Sometimes I want to have the fuck all 3 times him have to take him hood. And him have to barely push it up. A dog shit that. And then I see, you know how much fans him lose? The fans them write me. And them say, Amari, because of the way he disrespect you, we no longer want to be his fans. We no longer follow him. Because we find out that you're a good person, Amari. You think, say, woman, I go want to follow a man with disrespect other people? Yesterday, I'm shame, me see? When we go on the road, and normally everybody run up to him, everybody was like, Amari, and in the right side of me, and then them say, well, bop. Him shame. Go sir. You can't have two of my voice a go on. Yeah, man, him shame. And the girl, what burn him now, you know? I become a burn out the girl called Rika. We both say she a go have live show. And the girl a stammer. And the girl just step on, do. Any, oh, you got live dirty girl. All of my posse I go over there and fly down upon you like drunk. And I gonna make you feel everything what me did feel. I gonna make you go through everything what me did go through and run you off a social network. You're bright and out of order, but you come on social network. I try to steal my shine. You're bright and bumbleclot out of order. You want to bet me run you and Babs off a social network when me done with it, huh? You know how much people money you and Babs thief? And I know how much money in a thief? Make people send all kind of deposit from abroad. And then you buy this for yourself, buy that for yourself, and I done a raw slot show. Amari are the only somebody will make sure same do a show, you know. If you don't do the show through Amari, don't do the show at all. Remember me did one in there, you know. If I not Amari in a deal with a show for him, don't do it at all because Amari is his manager and I'm gonna sue him if me know say anybody do no transaction with him. A dirty boy. But one girl me give me one new name today and she give me one lyrics for the dirty girl. Name's Come Dog. You understand? And I love the name. I not too love it cause and I me make it up. But let me tell you something. Any man where you see go on like a Babs is because I'm trying to bring you down. How can you look at my body? I'm gonna show you. I say you don't want my body. And I like my belly big either. And I see there. A 13 pitney me have. Yeah, me put one something here so the other day. I put something there for you know, like the thing piercing. It never work out though. You understand? You see my ass, but not have no ass, as me tell you. You understand? I think I'm a beautiful girl. And nobody can take that from me. Me have confidence. Me believe in myself. And if me walk down the aisle with him, something me up to. Remember that. You understand? Because it's fame and fortune. You see how today, me don't ever want to see him around me. Me have plans, you know. You know, them things say me have plans. When people are skylark and people have somebody good in them life. You don't think me have plans? Yesterday I make some money, so I feel like say I'm there on top of the world. Yeah? You're not top of the world. Because before me, you did make wholly more than that. And wait there. Wait blood clot there. You're still in a sleep on the ground when me meet you. Wait blood clot there. So me not know who him a try to come style. Make him go style himself. Because me couldn't go Paris, France, Trinidad and Tobago, all over the world. Big up to my friend yesterday will walk up to me and say, him pass Babs, you know, pass him. And walk up to me and say, Amari, big up, Trinidad. And I say, blow, whoa. Then you know, she say, Babs, I get jealous. You know. Because him never know, say me did bigger than him think from morning and me get bigger than ever. So I get miserable. Yesterday, I tried to do a show. I mean, my truck. I make him drive the truck. And I drive off the truck, you know. And I go on all kind of way. Because I want me talk to my fans. Him get so miserable. And another time, him say, no, come pan camera. Because nobody no want to see a ugly man pan camera. I want to see that. Yo, good morning. And you no wonder how me say happy nowadays. Because the world is praying for me. And you know continue praying for me. My pastor pray for me. Not really my pastor. But him like the family still. Him a pray for me. Vicky a pray for me. Everybody a pray for me. Down to the dead a pray for me. Because it's Amari time. But they get him shining. But me no know when to do with it. You understand? I'm tired of the old lyrics them. You have to come fresh. Ask him for some new lyrics. Challenge him and see if he can come up with it. I mean, I know why in I listen to the old lyrics them. In a say life goes on. Life goes on, you can't be stuck with. Stay behind the fence, girl, you can't touch me. The man turned big, grown-ass, whole man. Stay behind the fence, that sound like child molestation to me. Because the girl who did that behind the fence was a teenager. So blood clot boy, don't come try to style me. You understand? And anytime you say a dirty boy style, a princess and an empress like Amari, trust me, and more episode I go down, you know. Enough things I go down. But you see a wicked bomber all like this, me now watch it. It shall be a car crush. Woo-hoo-hoo. Cause any day now him can crash. And blood clot dead. Because guess what? He no know if he drive. Car crash. Woo-hoo-hoo. Go look for this song. ReverbNation.com/Amari1. Anyway, may I go masturbate myself? Yeah. I feel irie cause me no want that the deadhood. And when me done masturbate myself, me wash my face. And me no want the cum juice either. Me rather use my own cum juice and wash my face. Then me go up on the phone with my man little and we talk about life and him cheer me up. And then I will be back again. Good morning.